So why are mysterious books of masters produced only by the Intergalactic Guild of Sciences so special? They initiate you into any magical tradition that you desire. One mysterious book of masters is like being initiated by an experienced master of that particular tradition. They actually empower you, whereas regular books have the capacity to vampire you. Our mysterious books of masters are powered by guild exclusive sigil technology. Sigil technology produced by the guild gives sigils the ability to accumulate power and store it, so that you, the occult scientist, can draw on that power, pull it into your consciousness, and empower all of your magical practices. As with all of our products, mysterious books of masters come with lifetime mentoring and support. So what does this mean? This means that you are given access to a guild master who is able to help you utilize your particular mysterious books of masters to their fullest potential, so that you can become the occult scientist that you were created to be.